If Apple Pay is set up on your device, it can be used quickly to make purchases on websites that support it as an option. Let's open the Wallet app over on the iPhone. To use Apple Pay, we need to set up at least one payment method. So let's add a credit card. On newer iPhones with an NFC chip and a chip-enabled card, we can very quickly add a card just by holding it against the back of our iPhone for a few seconds. That transfers all the details and contacts the card issuer for approval, which also arrives in only a few seconds. Just like that, this card is able to be used with Apple Pay. Over on the iPad now, if I want to purchase these shorts with Apple Pay, I am able to select the card that was just added on the iPhone and simply enter its security code. Now that card can be used with Apple Pay on the iPad as well. Before making the purchase, we can select different shipping options or choose a different address from the Apple Pay interface, rather than on the website. To complete the purchase, I just need to double press on the Touch ID button on this iPad. We can also use Apple Pay for subscriptions such as on the macu.com. So if you shop online, having Apple Pay set up can make the checkout process on most websites a lot faster and more convenient. At this point, I'm disappointed if I want to make a purchase from a website or app that doesn't offer Apple Pay as an option.